we're going to subtract some large numbers now. Now we've got these two numbers and we've got 74,529 and we're going to subtract 1,309. What we're going to do is write them in a vertical algorithm, and that means we're going to write one under the other down the page. Now we're starting with a total of 74,529, so that one has to be written first, and we're going to put our place value headings just abbreviated. You don't have to, but they're helpful to line up your digits, and if you need to, put some lines in. So we have 9 units, 2 tens, 5 hundreds, 4 thousands and 7 tens of thousands. You could write it starting from the left, but if you start from the units place, it really helps you get them in the right place every time. And now we're subtracting 1,309, so we always write that underneath. So we've got 9 units, there are no tens, but remember, we need to make sure we put a 0 there. Otherwise, we could end up with the digits in the wrong place. We've got 3 hundreds and 1 of the thousands. Now what we do is what we do all the time, no matter how big our numbers are. We always start from the place with the smallest value. So we have 9 minus 9, and that leaves no units. So we must write 0 again to make sure we understand that the next digit is not in the units place. So if we go across now to the left, in our tens place, 2 minus 0 is 2. Then we move left to our hundreds place. 5 minus 3 is 2. In our thousands place, 4 minus 1 is 3. And in our tens of thousands, we've got 7 and we're not subtracting anything. Well, that's the same as subtracting 0, nothing. So you could write a 0 there if you wanted to. And we've got 7 in the tens of thousands place. Now, we don't have any more digits, but if you did, you would just keep working left. It would make no difference. You'd keep going as long as it took. So 74,529 minus 1,309 is 73,220. But you could estimate before you start, or if you wanted to, you could add back 1,309 to check that you get 74,529. That's a great way to check that you've worked it out correctly.